Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In part 3 we will finalize this graph. First of all, we should select the correct scale. The starting point of this graph is about 25 and the ending is 70. So scale should be selected from 25 to 70. By selecting this scale, we have to double click this scale and then select scale here, and scale is started from 25 and up to 70, and you can apply this and see this. So this will be the correct vision of this graph. Now we want to make it independent. Okay, now we can deal this graph individually. We can move, we can drag, we can adjust the difference here and then place the JCPD card at the bottom of this card or at the bottom of this graph. So double click this graph, and first of all we will make this graph on line and scattered. Here is the line and scattered. You click this is the line and scattered graph. So first of all we will set the JCPD card. We need no line at the upper end, no line, and then drop line is vertical, and then we can apply it and see here. And we also eliminate the symbols. The symbol size is 0, becomes 0. So by applying this we can see that this is just a vertical lines. Now start from the book 1, sheet 1, AXBY. This is I observed values. Double click this and adjust the symbol size about 2, and this is I observed and the color is black, and you can select here the circle and then apply. So you can see here I observed values. Okay, now this is the difference value. The next value is of I calculated, the line. What is the line color? Red. So the symbol size should be 2 and its shape is circular. And the color is also choose red. This is red. Okay, then apply this. You can see this is a very smart graph with a symbol size of 2 and color red. So the third data is of difference. This difference is the circular. Select the symbol circular and the color is blue. It is blue. Okay, so and the symbol is 2 or maybe 1. By applying this you can see here the difference, or you can also reduce this graph by choosing the symbol size 1. Okay, so here you can see this is the difference, and then adjust the difference somewhere here and then select this observed value and overlap this with the calculated value. You can select this file and place. You can select by arrows, and then by dragging you can adjust this graph up and down. Okay, so now you have to Now the font size from x-axis, double click this font size should be 26 and bold. Here you can see the format. Here you select the size 26 and then select the bold button. Okay, this selection is for the bottom. Here this is the bottom, and when you are selecting this y-axis, then select the left button, click the button, and then select the size 26. Here choose and then choose bold and then press OK. You can see this is now this become the size become bigger and it is bold. Now right here the position, because it is position, and its unit is degree. Unit is degree, and then highlight this position and degree and make it bold and choose the font size 26. Similarly, offset to here, this is the count or the intensity along y-axis, and its unit is arbitrary ARB dot unit. Select all these tags and bold it, press bold and select 26 font size. Now this become intensity arbitrary units. And now you can select the y-axis range. The y-axis range, the upper range of this peak is about 4500. So double click this and choose the graph scale. This is a scale from -500, you can take from 100 to about 4500. Just click apply and you can see this is better than before, and you can adjust it more precisely. You can bring it more closely to each other, and then again set the position, then again set the y-axis by selecting the scale. Now we can select it about 3000, and just to see the change, just click the apply button. Okay, now it look more better. Just adjust and move the button, move this graph up and down and see. Now this is the final graph of expert high score in Rietveld Refinement. You can see that the I observed, which is in color black, is overlapped with the I calculated, so the difference is very small, and this shows the good refinement data. Now go back to expert high score. Here you can see this graph is overlapped. This is the peak evaluation. So by clicking this peak evaluation, you can see this is the pattern of the JCPD card, which is overlapped. Just click again, and this is the show explained feature. So by clicking this show explain feature, we can eliminate this, and this is show residual. This is the residual between the I observed and I calculated. And now you can see the blue lines which is overlapping with the red line.